Morning everyone, we are currently about to leave Zurich, Switzerland, but before we do that I have 10 minutes to go find me a fridge magnet and get to my train platform. Pray for me guys, if I don't find a fridge magnet, bro, I'm crashing out. We're about to board the train and as usual we are waiting on Toby. He's ran off, he's somewhere in the station looking for a bathroom. Train left like 30 seconds ago and there's some guy already throwing up, bro. Because you're scared of sick.
Yeah. Metaphobia. You going, you're gonna scare me.
Joe, how much do you hate Toby from a scale of 1 to 10?
100.
This is how fast we're going right now. I can open up this window. It's just wearing a black tunnel right now, so making the most of it and go to the bathroom. Tell everyone about your beer. What beer did you get?
I got the Calendar Ada Brown.
Go on, show them the label. And how much percentage of alcohol does it have in?
Like 78, I think.
70, that's crazy. And I got me a little coffee. Comes in a little nice cute cup.
Till I found her, I said I would never fall unless it's
So
that's cute. We're out in the snow, everyone. Look at Joe back here. We're trying to go and dome Toby with a snowball right now. Look at him. Toby's just run off.
he's just off. He's actually not coming back.
I know, he's never coming back, bro. I'm gonna grab a snowball, I'll be back. Right, everyone, here's the front of the train. He's gonna try and hit me with a snowball now because he's asking Joe to record him. And why else would you ask Joe to record you? Anyways, here's the front of the train. Big red. Go on, I dare you.
Okay. Damn it. Oh,
Dickhead.
shit.
Yeah. Dodged. Weaved.
So bad.
No.
That's hard. Oh. You Felix.
There's snow in my bed, guys. There's snow in my bed. Ooh. Snow over me.
Well done.
Snow in my hair.
That's not even funny. I'm freezing cold now.
Everyone, you see that triangle over there? We're gonna try and hit that.
So much.
Right, brother. Them two over there keep hitting me, and I was all the way down there. Eye for an eye, bro.
Eye for an eye.
Please, no, just
No.
do a couple of photos. Oi, stop it! No! Toby, smile. Joe, smile.
I'll put it on my list then. Smile!
What's it like to in the snow, Toby? Toby's decided he wants to vlog in the middle of Milan, so right now we're waiting on him. Yeah, you'll probably see it from his footage, but we're in Milan. My legs are dead. Honestly, I've got like some injury or something. The past couple of days my legs have just been hurting more and more and more. So Toby's treated me to coffee. I wish I was joking, everyone. My legs feel like they're about to snap, bro. Joe right now is taking me to a pharmacy because he's an absolute hun. And Toby's here for the vibes and the moral support. I see the big plus in front of me, guys. I see it, the plus for the pharmacy.
And we're not in Switzerland anymore.
What? Did they take it? Did they miss? Oh, I thought you'd like being static and celebrating. That's why I began recording. It's freezing cold, man. I just want to go on a train right now, and this dumbass is taking his sweet time.